Hello everyone, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to turn on autocomplete with trending searches in Google Chrome on your mobile device. This feature helps improve your browsing experience by suggesting popular search queries as you type. Let's get started. First, open the Chrome app on your mobile device. Next, tap the Settings option located at the bottom center of the screen. In the Settings menu, select Search Settings. Once you're in Search Settings, tap Other Settings to access additional options. Scroll down and look for the option labeled Autocomplete with trending searches. Once you find it, make sure to turn it on. That's it! You've now enabled autocomplete with trending searches in Google Chrome on your mobile device. From now on, as you start typing in the search bar, Chrome will suggest popular and trending search queries to help you find what you need faster.